We're going to start off with a cruise with MSC. You've seen the price already, starting at $489. You get free BA flights with this one as well. But let's take you on board and give you a little taste of what life's going to be like with, of course, the wonderful MSC.
Yeah, so again, fantastic. It stands for Mediterranean Shipping Company. They are the largest family-owned cruise operator, the fourth largest cruise company in the world, and this is Italy at its very best. Think about all the things you love about Italy. Gucci, Ferrari, Ducati, all these big names. Think about the luxury that's synonymous with those. And then put it into a cruise ship environment. Very big, beautiful ships, really well designed, lots of lights. And again, with cruising, remember, everything's included. So you're paying that price. I mean, you're going to get all your food on board. You're going to get a chance to have wonderful entertainment in the evenings. And when you see these ships are laid out, they give you lots of opportunity to lay out in the sun,
I was going to say,
soak it up.
And I think of the Italians a bit like you, Keith, very stylish.
Absolutely, you know, very, very stylish, very fashionable.
Yeah.
And the ships reflect that. Swarovski crystal staircases, Sean. You know, really beautiful. The great thing about MSC, children under the age of 18 get to cruise for free, and you're seeing there some of the wonderful things that the children get up to in the clubs on board, and a great section of different dining. It's an international atmosphere. You're going to meet people from all around the world, and cruising's great because it's so social. Whether you're a single traveller, whether you travel as you know, with your partner, or whether you're part of a family, it's all about making friends, about having these wonderful cherished moments around the world. And number one thing, unpacking once and yet seeing so many different destinations.
What is hard to believe if you've never cruised before is that you can have this luxury experience for £489.
It's incredible,
and
isn't it?
So much is included, you know, not just the great food, the great service, but we're going to give you a free Cheers drinks package right now and free flights, which are with BA, aren't they?
They are, that's right, yeah. These flights are free. So again, this deal features not only the cruise that you just seen a kind of highlight of there, but those free flights that we're giving you for free. And so you won't find this anywhere else.
I was going to say, just let you know, this cruise was sold at a high price without the free flights. So the flights alone could be worth about £200. So honestly, it is an amazing deal. And what a lovely itinerary as well.
It is a fantastic itinerary. Let's have a look at that. Let's really excite you now. Here we go. Get salivating in your taste buds after all that good Christmas food. So we're starting from Genoa. Great place there in Italy, the birthplace of focaccia and pesto. Make sure you try some if you get a chance before you head out. It's a lovely scenic port to sail away, so make sure you stand out on deck. Before you then head down, and we're staying in southern Italy here to Naples. Beautiful, beautiful Naples. It's an incredible chance. So you're still seeing some images there from Genoa, but we're heading out now down to Naples. And again, the actual city centre itself is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. It's protected by UNESCO, and it's dripping with ancient architecture with cathedrals and churches. But what do we know about Naples? Well, beyond the fact that it's the birthplace of pizza, beyond the fact that it has the strongest coffee in the whole of Italy, it's the fact it gives you a chance to go to Pompeii, to Herculaneum, a chance to go out and climb Vesuvius and look out for these wonderful views, a chance to go and see the jet-setting island of Capri, and just really soak it up. Crossing the road in Naples, you'll see, is quite fun, and they have Arnold Schwarzenegger there as a traffic warden. You know, it's really, really good fun. Great shopping as well. So this is a wonderful place to go and explore. And if you get a chance to go to the museum in Naples itself, it's ram-packed of artefacts from Pompeii and Herculaneum. Amazing place. Great first port. Okay, we're going to move on now. And we're going on now to Messina. This is Sicily. Shakespeare, of course, chose Messina as the setting for his romantic play Much Ado About Nothing. This is your chance to go and see one of the world's largest mechanical clocks, which goes off at midday every day. It's an incredible opportunity. It's also your chance to do a wonderful, what they call the Serpentine Railway, which takes you around the circumference of Etna. Beautiful Mount Etna, which is Europe's biggest volcano and a contradiction in every sense. And you get a chance to go to see Taormina. I recommend Taormina, where it frames Etna. It's like a painting. It's absolutely stunning. And you can follow the footsteps of Marlon Brando, Robert De Niro and Al Pacino and do a Godfather Villages tour, which is incredible.
Oh, that's great, yeah.
Oh, it's really, really great. All the different scenes from the film. And try the Sicilian olive oil ice cream. I know it sounds olive oil ice cream. Sounds weird, but it's amazing. Okay, let's move on. La Goulette. This is incredible. This is your chance to try a little bit of Tunisia and Tunis. It's a spice-scented part of the world. Go and haggle in the Medina. Go and check out the wonderful Grand Souk there. Maybe smoke a shisha. Try some of the local mint or apple tea. And then go and explore the ancient ruins of Carthage, which are just on your front doorstep. Theatres, temples and baths and so much more for you to enjoy. Or Sidi Bal Said, which is like the Tunisian Santorini and clings to the side of the cliff top with these white sugar cube houses. It's beautiful. OK, we're moving on now to Barcelona. Wow, what can we say about Barcelona? What can't we say about it? This is the place which showcases Gaudi's amazing work from the cathedral through to Park Güell, which overlooks the city. You're seeing here pictures of Barceloneta. It has the best urban beaches in the world, according to National
Yeah, you
Geographic.
sometimes forget that, don't you?
You really do, and people don't go to the beach. But if you want to go and get a bit of beach time, bit of sun time, you can do that in Barcelona, as well as the shopping down Las Ramblas. And if you go down Las Ramblas, make sure at the top end you call in to La Boquera Market, over 900 years old, amazing tapas, amazing big spicy choritos to get your teeth into, get stuck in there. And of course, tapas in Barcelona, the street performers, the Nou Camp, the history of the football, it's incredible. And that's La Boquera Market there. Definitely head there. You'll thank me for saying that.
And it does have a great atmosphere, doesn't it?
It's incredible atmosphere, it really is. OK, relaxing day at sea before we then go to Marseille. It's the second largest city after Paris. It's a magical harbour. Great chance for you to try bolognese, the French fish stew. It's a national treat. And you've got Chateau d'Elf there, where the Count of Monte Cristo is imprisoned. That at the top there is the Notre Dame Basilica. Great views from the top there. You can get a petty train that takes you up. Amazing place. And then after Marseille, and chance maybe to head into Van Gogh's Provence. Then you're going back to Genoa and then heading back to London. Great itinerary.
It really is. I've not worked with Keith for a while. He always makes me feel hungry, all those great descriptions of food. You really do. Now, as we said, some of the best deals you always find on the last show of the year. This is, 2014, our final show. You've got an amazing offer right now. Beautiful ships, so much to do. And I love my cruise holidays, Keith, because you are never bored. I love the choice, and I love the standards that you get.
Well, exactly. And if you've got nothing to compare it with, if you've not done a cruise holiday before, once you do your first one, that will be it. You will be hooked forever. So many people say it. For 12 years, I spoke to people every night after the shows. They would tell me that. They waited for years. They finally did it, and they regretted that they hadn't done it sooner. And this is what you get. Look at that luxury, but also the service, Sean. Crew members from around the world who can't do enough for you.
Nothing is ever too much trouble. And we have got such a low price tonight. So let's bear this in mind. For $489, you're getting free return flights. This cruise has been priced far higher in the past without the free flights, and we're going to give you British Airways flights as well, and all of your overseas transfers. We can find you flights from most UK airports as well, so just ask the call centre about those. You're getting 7 nights on board, slightly different itineraries depending on departure date, and that lead price is based on the 8th of November.
Actually, we're not even said about the drinks package, really, have we? You know, that free Cheers drinks package.
How could we forget the drinks?
Now, you need to book this by... This is running out. You need to book this by either tonight or tomorrow by 1 p.m.
Yes.
Because that's when the offices are closing for Planet Cruise tomorrow at 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
And what's in the drinks package?
It's basically unlimited beers and wines during lunch and dinner. OK, so you've got a selection of different beers and wines that you can have during lunch and dinner. They're really generous with it, so it's a really good drinks package. It's basically almost making this an all-inclusive deal for under £500.
And just to remind you, price-wise, we've got great prices across the board. Upgrade-wise, by the way, to go up to an ocean view, a balcony, you took about an extra £100 on average for an ocean view, and then another £100 for balcony as well. We know how busy we're going to be. The call centre open until 10:30 tonight. Tomorrow morning, 8 till 1. So, but that one, as Keith mentioned, you've got to book that before we close at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon to get that drinks package as well.